Yes, I started live. Come.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will explain the video about the importance of the hard work and success. And every success is not comes as early as failure. So we can get more confident and by the confidence we can achieve our goals. Through this, I can relate my life. I can relate my situation about which I have faced is that when the examinations and assignments are occurs, it is very difficult to handle the pressure, and so by staying calm and patience that will help my help to build my assignments and score to be important. Thank you.
Next. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. The video that I have seen about the motivation of life, every in our day-to-day life, everything we will not get easily. We have to work hard with confidence, and we have to work hard with confidence, and we should not go back if there is any difficulties in achieving that work, and we have to make sure that with struggles and with difficulties, we have to achieve it and go to higher heights. Thank you.
Next. Come. I'm mad. You are on the live.
Motivation is very important to everyone because motivation improves to overcome difficulties, and motivation helps to overcome difficulties.
What is your real-time example then?
When I preparing some exams, I have to feel like I feel very hard to prepare some exams. Then I motivated again and again for that, and I wrote exams with motivation.
Hmm.
When results will come, results.
You have good ideas in your mind, but you're unable to communicate properly, right? Work on communication more. Do daily practice on Padlet. Okay. Next. Next. Come.
Completed.
Good afternoon. I'm Rakesh from ECE. Today I'm explaining about empowerment. Empowerment is the giving power and freedom of their own decisions in a village, in a society. Women and poor peoples they do not have empowerment. Education is the first step to build your own empowerment. Thank you.
What is your real-time example then?
In a society, women and poor peoples they do not have empowerment. So education is the first step to empower.
Okay, sir. Next, I'll talk to you later. In the industry, then are you coming? Come.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Narendra. Now I share my perception about this video. In this, she tells failure. One of the thing is failures are not a problems. Failures are not real. In that,
Next. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kalisha from ECE-D section. Um, I'm here to tell about the overview of the audio clip. And it is the key point is empowerment. Empowerment means giving someone the self-confidence and power and taking decision by individuals. And I am telling my own experience that my friend was failed at intermediate, and he comes to me and asks that I am failed in one subject, and I built him to be confident and prepare well for the exam. And I suggest that to prepare at least one question for a in daily important questions. And he followed that, and he succeeded, and he got good marks. Thank you.
Next. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Durgabhavani from ECE-D. Today, I want to share my perception about the video audio clip.
Share. Share your perception and point of view on audio.
If you want to achieve anything, you work hard on it. I have one example. We all know that Abdul Kalam sold newspapers and he worked hard. He became very great scientist and president of our India. Thank you.
What is your real time example then? You're sharing your Abdul Kalam example. But you need to share to your example, right? Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ramyasri, and I'm from ECD section. My perception about empowerment is for giving confidence, skills, and freedom opportunities to take their own decision for their future, and also empowerment. Everyone should have the empowerment. Empowerment to take to growth for overcome the difficulties and to grow personally and professionally. And my real time example is when I prepared for some exams, I faced some difficulties to and I overcome these problems and I work on the problems and I have succeed for that. Thank you.
Very good. Good. Next.
Good morning, everyone. I am Arna. I am from ECD section. I am from Team 2 of Sub-Team 4. So, thank you for faculty for playing a wonderful video about empowerment. So, my point of view about empowerment was gaining confidence by ourselves, and we shouldn't give anyone the chance to enter in our life and rule their own decisions in our life. So, we should take our own decisions and we should only rule our life. So, but it should not be in a wrong way that taking a wrong decisions and spoiling your life. So, the decision should be in a correct way. So connecting this empowerment in my real-time example that when I'm in intermediate, so I face some difficulties of maintaining my studies in both mains and intermediate public exams. So I'm getting a less result in my mains. So I disgrace myself and lose my confidence, and I can't concentrate on public exams, and I scored less mark as I expected. So I lost all of my confidence, and I were in depressed. So when I joined in my VTech, I totally planned that I should be succeed, and I should plan a timetable that I should be in, do this work in this time, and the time management and the skill that I improved in my BTech will really helpful for me. So that one thing should conclude to everyone, that we should take our decisions by our own, and we should take our time management, maintain our goals that we should achieve in that time to time. So hard work pays will really succeed in your life. Thank you.
Very good, excellent. She succeed. Both will succeed.
Hello everyone, I am Sugna from ECE-D. Now in a few seconds, before a few seconds, I see a video, motivational video, that is empowerment. Empowerment is a process of gaining opportunities, authority, and control for successful in your life. And empowerment is also giving confidence and maturity. In my real life example, when I am very feel hesitated and nervousness when I talk in front of class, and I take a minute and speak while in front of the class, and my hesitation will become, and thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon all. I am Srichandra. I want to share about empowerment. Empowerment means giving confidence and giving confidence to other persons. That means we should build the confident self-respect and other to someone which they which so in my real life empowerment takes that my friend is very
Don't laugh, please.
so actually my handwriting was not good, so due to this reason my marks are being reduced from first semester onwards. So as I keep it as a goal to change my handwriting as a 30 days challenge, but from but from now onwards it doesn't change this. So I will keep practicing, and I think it
Can I
will
tell
change
you all
my
out
handwriting.
why you're laughing unnecessarily in front of camera?
That's thank you.
That is not apt example. You're not succeed. You don't understand how to do LSAT. You failed. I'll tell you later how to do. You need to connect LS activity means you connect with real time example how these both are connected. Next.
Good morning, I am Tejashwini. Today I am going to tell about my point of view about the video. It's about we should focus on ourselves first, then others. We should build ourselves strong. We should grow ourselves. Then only we can help someone who are less than us. So we should always focus on ours. Then we can only help them. And every failure is a lesson.
God.
Every failure is a lesson for us. Every time I fail, I take it as a lesson and improve myself. And I will also tell others they should not go in that path so that they will also fail. So for me, real time example, when I first get low marks in mid or sem, I will analyze myself where I get wrong. I will work on it, and I will I improve myself. So it's all about we all have failures in our life, but one thing is we should learn from it, and we should not discourage ourselves, and we should not demotivated about it. We should always learn from it, and
learn something new from it. Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon to Wonder. Myself Deepika. I am from ECE-D section. In Listen to Speak activity, today we will listen motivation life. With the help of motivation, we can achieve anything. First, we set small goals to achieve in our life. The next, with the help of motivation, we can good at positive mindset. Whenever my regular time example is whenever I join this college, I am feel very low with the, I feel very low. With I can motivate myself and I can succeed. Now I good at the college.
I am Govardhani from second year ECE. I am here to speak motivation in my life. In I'm passed a diploma exam. I faced so many struggles.
After facing struggles, then what happened? How empowerment is useful for you overcome the facing struggle to become successful?
Daily will practice. Daily will practice. Practice and learn. Learn to practice. My friends also support to improve my skills. And finally, I pass exam.
Next. Anyone left in the team? Everyone is done?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mansa. In our lab, plays a video clip that is about empowerment. Empowerment means making someone strong and independent. My real life example is in my intermediate, I write the JMN's exam, but I did not score good marks. I improved my confidence and I motivated myself. In that MSAT exam, I scored good marks.